we have all deep cleaned our skin with my top 5 fall skincare tips, let me ask you this. When was the last time you cleaned your makeup brushes? Because let's be honest, cleaning makeup brushes is a beauty chore that we all dread. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deep clean and disinfect your makeup brushes in just a few seconds. Also, if you stick to the end of the video, I'll give you some tips of what you should and shouldn't do when it comes to cleaning your makeup brushes. The things that you will need to clean your brushes are 2 containers, preferably glass, so it's easy to clean them after. A sieve recommended by Jamie Genevieve, who is a Scottish influencer. A little bit of dish soap. I am using the Blue Dawn dish soap. A little bit of alcohol. Make sure it's rubbing alcohol and not drinking alcohol. And some lukewarm water, which we should go add now. Add some lukewarm water and a little bit of dish soap to your container. Then mix it and place the sieve on top, making sure that part of the sieve is submerged in the water and soap mixture. Now take the makeup brush and gently swirl it. The sieve will help agitate the dirt, oil, and makeup residue on your makeup brush. Next, just rinse it under lukewarm water and repeat the previous step till the water runs clear. And then put the makeup brush in the second container that has rubbing alcohol in it for 10 to 20 seconds to disinfect. And that's it. Just lay it at the edge of the table to dry overnight. So what are some of the things you should do when it comes to cleaning your makeup brushes? Number 1, you should spot clean your makeup brush daily. The way I do it is I take my makeup eraser cloth and I just spot clean like this. This is my blush and bronzer, and you can see it's on the cloth. Next, I'll show you with my eyeshadow brush. So this one, you can see how much just comes off. And then this one has blue pigment on it, so you can see it just comes right off. The reason I spot clean daily is so that there is less buildup on the brush when I go to deep clean it. Which brings me to my second point, which is that you should deep clean your makeup brushes every 7 to 10 days for 2 reasons. 1, it will accumulate less makeup, oil, and bacteria, and hence it will reduce any acne flare-ups. And 2, it'll be easier to clean the makeup brush every 7 to 10 days versus if you clean, I don't know, once a month. When you're cleaning the brush, make sure you don't submerge the brush further than where the bristles of the brush meet the handle, because this will loosen up the glue that is holding the bristles and the brush together. To clean the handle of the makeup brush, just wipe it with an alcohol wipe. This brings me to what you shouldn't do when it comes to cleaning your makeup brushes. After washing the brush, never put it in an upright position to dry, because again, the water dripping from the bristles of the brush will loosen the glue that's holding basically the bristles of the brush and the handle together. I read in a lot of places that to disinfect your makeup brush, you can use vinegar, and I don't recommend it at all, because once the brush dries, it smells like stinky feet, and nobody wants to smell that, especially when you're applying makeup. I also read somewhere that you can disinfect your makeup brush by dipping it in some mouthwash, and personally, I don't recommend it, because even though it will leave your brush smelling minty fresh, it will also leave a layer on your brush once it dries, which will make it look oily and gummy, if that's a thing. I don't know. All I know is that it made my brushes look and feel gross. Alright, so that's it for today. If you like this video and got value out of it, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more health and beauty related videos, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.